some stuff in my nature collections. This isn't all of the nature. These are stuff I found outside. My mom gifted to me. So right here. This isn't allowed anymore, but and right here is a piece of a butterfly wing in blue. They don't allow it anymore, but when they did, this was made. It's a little pin, and I also have 2 pieces of smoke quartz and 1 earring that has malachite in it. Here, I think they might be fossils. They're like so fragile of sea urchins. Here are 2 shells I found on the beach. Here are 2 shells I found as well. Here's 2 that I found on sand near the water, but not exactly the beach. Here's a seed I found on the beach. If you shake it, you can hear a little noise. Can you hear it? It's a little faint, but here's some snakeskin I found in my front yard. I have way more. That's a video where I have seen for 6 guys. And so I said that. And I have more snakeskin. This is just some. That's what I showed him. Here is a shell I found on the beach. There's some starfish. Amethyst. And now for the bigger stuff. Okay, so here's a pine cone I found. In the day when a key deer, like a small deer, came right behind me. Like right up behind me. Here is a blue jay feather I found in Philadelphia when I was visiting my grandparents. And here's some parrot feathers. Here are some really seashells. Some are really good. Some I found, some I bought. I remember finding this one. Here's an amber with a scorpion in it. Here's a really good shell. And here's a very small, extremely fragile fossil I bought on Amazon. And for so long it didn't break. And one day I dropped it and this happened. And there's other chips. I don't know what happened to them. But it's a really good fossil. A real one. Like, this is real. Like, I'm so happy I have it, though. And, yeah. So these are just some of my collections. But, actually, there's more. Here's a baby megalodon tooth I found at Peace River. Peace River is a place, like, a natural river where you can find so many fossils that are naturally there. And I found this small megalodon tooth. So it's been proven that megalodons give a live birth. And so what the babies that fight and eat each other in their mother's stomachs. I know that might sound weird. And so they lose teeth during the process. And here's a tooth that happened at that time. And that's only half of one. And I have another of the guy that I made friends with him, and so he gave me a small megalodon tooth for free. I have much bigger ones but here's one he gave me, compared to my hand. And it's pretty big, not the biggest, but. And here's a snaggletooth shark they're pretty much extinct. I think they're extinct actually, but I think some might be alive actually. I forget. And like there's not many pictures online about them, but they're really cool. My mom said, the snaggletooth shark tooth was that Peace River. My mom found a fossilized stingray barb there, and I discovered this. I do not know what it is. Comment down below if you know what that is. Oh, and I also found a chicken bone. Don't worry, I did not keep it. But I did find a chicken bone at Peace River. But these are what I found at Peace River. Some of the things I found at Amar, including like thousands. Okay, not thousands, but like a lot. Like probably 60 fossilized shark teeth. Like, yeah. No. And yeah, that's just some of my nature collection. But actually, there's one more thing you guys might like to see. So my mom and I actually bought this. It's really cool. So this is a dugong fossil, a piece of the fossil actually, I think a rib. Yeah, it says rib on this. So, yeah, it shows a picture of a modern day drawing of the mermaid, since people believe mermaids are real when they spotted a dugong and a manatee for some weird reason. But original mermaids are actually evil. And they do not have humans of fish tails, most at least. Like the ninja in Japanese mythology is basically a fish with human heads, an eye on its torso, and 2 eyes on its face with golden horns. And like they're huge. And some like the how did it get their name? Well, where's my folklore book? Wait 1 second while I look for my folklore book. Please note I didn't have the video for this screen. I actually can't really add and skip since I don't know that much about making YouTube videos. So yeah, that's the main problem about my YouTube videos. But I'll make another video about original or the origins of mermaids. Many people learn that manatees and dugongs created the idea of mermaids, but that's not true. The discovery made it the belief that mermaids are real. So yeah.